Welcome to 2i Construction's YouTube channel. Today we are starting a brand new mini course series, designed especially for concrete batching plant quality control professionals. In this series, we'll explore everything you need to know to become an effective and confident batching plant QC professionals. We'll answer key questions like, who are batching plant quality control professionals? What qualifications, industry experience, and technical skills are required? And what certifications can help you advance your QC career? We'll also look into the most important engineering standards used for batching plant operations, like ASTM, ACI, BS, and Saudi Aramco standards. You'll learn about the types of documents and records a QC professional is responsible for, and understand their routine roles and responsibilities in maintaining consistent concrete quality. We'll go step by step through the batching plant approval process, starting from the initial survey to the trial mix and uniformity test approvals. We'll discuss what test reports must be maintained regularly and what checks a QC inspector should verify before batching begins. What is concrete batching? What are the storage and handling requirements for materials? And how to manage mixed design approval procedures. We'll walk through how to initiate RFIs, record nonconformities, and maintain different QC logs that ensure complete traceability. Finally, we'll cover the most important QC activities, the concrete temperature, slump, and compressive strength test. You'll learn how to inspect, test, and report results accurately to confirm that every batch meets the approved specifications. So stay tuned. By the end of this mini course, you'll have a clear understanding of batching plant QC operations, from documentation to testing and plant approval. This is 2i Constructions, where we learn, apply, and build quality. Don't forget to subscribe and join the journey.